Suffolk County PD verified account at SCPD HQ July 28. The SCPD has strict rules procedures relating to the handling of prisoners. Violations of those rules are treated extremely seriously. Suffolk County PD verified account at SCPD HQ July 28 replying to it, SCPD HQ as a department, we do not and will not tolerate roughing up of prisoners. Schadenfreude at Graysky 66 July 28 replying to it, SCPD HQ tell your cheering brown shirts chorus no flake fire at core. Adored July 28 replying to it, Graysky 66 at SCPD HQ seriously, I felt like I was watching a Hitler rally. James D.F. Hanna at JFanna July 28 replying to it, core. Adore at Graysky 66 at SCPD HQ all Trump rallies have that vibe anymore. Chorus no flake fire at core. Adored July 28 replying to it, JFanna at Graysky 66 at SCPD HQ right, this wasn't a political rally though. I thought it was supposed to be a group of civil servants getting a visit from the U.S. Pres. James D.F. Hanna at JFanna July 28 replying to it, core. Adore at Graysky 66 at SCPD HQ the Boy Scout Jamboree wasn't either, and we can see what a rousing success that turned out to be. Snark Force 1 at Snark Force 1 July 28 replying to it, JFanna at core. Adore and that's good SCPD. Because if you hurt anyone and get sued, guess which video of cheering officers will be entered into evidence. Maggie Van Dame at Maggie Van Dame July 28 replying to it, Snark Force 1 at JFanna and Trump should be held responsible for his dangerous rhetoric. This is scary. TR at T_Robbie July 28 replying to it, SCPD HQ you allowed your officers to be political pawns in a sham campaign rally advocating police brutality. Not a good look. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, T_Robbie at SCPD HQ they didn't know it was gonna be a stop on the campaign trail. As a resident, I expected that Trump would allocate funds or offer insight. TR at T_Robbie July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at SCPD HQ I am a Nassau resident. I think we've seen that Trump can't stay on message. The sight of laughing cops as a background was not pretty. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, T_Robbie at SCPD HQ it was awful. But the entire department doesn't need to suffer for their lack of reasonable judgment. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at T_Robbie at SCPD HQ I don't like that they are being vilified. My experiences have varied, sure, I've liked some more than other, but when it comes down to it, TR at T_Robbie July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at SCPD HQ shouldn't he have been in the position of providing a backdrop as he says outrageous things. SCPD has enough issues. Minority residents. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, T_Robbie at SCPD HQ agreed. They got played. Doubt they'll forget it. Shelly Beans at Shell_M July 29 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at T_Robbie at SCPD HQ they didn't get played. Anyone who has Trump coming knows what kind of dribble and shit he spews. Stop allowing him to speak. Period. Say no way. Bruce Ryan's verified account at Brucer Hines July 28 replying to it, SCPD HQ maybe reissue and explain those rules to your officers that you had stand behind and in the audience with the president. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, Brucer Hines at SCPD HQ not that I could imagine supporting him, but I think we have all found ourselves in a situation where someone we admire says something we Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at Brucer Hines at SCPD HQ may not agree with, but in the moment, we accidentally agree. I've been there. Those cops may likely have been strong Trump supporters. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at Brucer Hines at SCPD HQ but if they are decent people, they will realize that their reaction to that statement in particular was extremely misguided. Bruce Ryan's verified account at Brucer Hines July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at SCPD HQ agree they may support Trump but they represent community. It by accident if they didn't applaud both rough up and plot Obamacare. Jennifer Lynn at Pinning Jenny July 28 replying to it, Brucer Hines at SCPD HQ I know it's not okay, by any means. And when at SCPD HQ puts out a statement saying as much, it's your choice whether to believe them or not. Becca at Dix_Rechick July 28 replying to it, Pinning Jenny at Brucer Hines at SCPD HQ their statement doesn't address behavior of their force, only that of policy. The behavior was issue. That's why I asked for clarification.